Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a crazy day, a little disappointing on the afternoon. I mean, big movement up, and then definitely spent the entire afternoon pulling back. Now, did that destroy the entire chart? It didn't, but that's also a matter of perspective, meaning if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, and you were buying up there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, from that perspective, yeah, the chart now looks really, really bad. But if you care about the big picture of things, then yeah, I get it. There was a bigger pullback, but the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed, just higher bases being put into play over extended periods of time. And a couple ways you can measure that. The first thing you could do is if you wanted to draw this trend line into here, you could be just measuring the trend of things. Actually, let me change that to green to represent a support trend line. So there's one way you can do it. Or if you don't feel like drawing trend lines and you're kind of lazy and you just want something else to draw the trend line for you, then I would use the moving average right here, the purple line, the 50-period moving average, which I like to call trend lines for lazy people. Because again, if you don't feel like drawing a trend line, then just let this line draw itself for you, because as the name implies, this is a moving average. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. The moral of the story is this, that assuming you care about the big picture of things, as long as the price stays above either that trend line there or that moving average, then overall, the price is still in a bullish uptrend. Meaning you could have all sorts of drama. You could have the price come back up here and then more drama all the way down there. Price come down up here and then all the way back down. And you could have all sorts of drama. But as long as the drama is occurring up above these overarching areas of support, then overall the trend remains in the bull's favor. So that's why I like trend lines and moving averages, because sometimes, yeah, things can get very dramatic, right? Like today, big move up and then all of a sudden big move down. That is a lot of drama, but it is still happening over the trend lines, so keep that in mind. As far as areas of resistance, though, the stubborn level still seems to be right up there around the $3.10 mark, so watch that going forward. But all in all, it'll definitely be looking like an interesting Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.